Hey there mga my love, Scorpio! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel, babe. So before we start your reading, reminders manakas na dito for everybody. So just pick up only the messages you think are for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. And of course, this is timeless as well. So just take only what resonates here with you. Guys, so yun yung mga babes. Wala tayong gender dito, ba lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you can play roles if you want. And at the end of the day, you always have your free will na pray mo rin gamitin. So, yun nga, no, before we start, kung hindi niyo pa pala knows, meron pa po tayong other channel. The link is down below sa ating description box. So, let's go ahead and check this out. By the way, hi pala sa mga new subscribers. Ako po si Han. Welcome. Sa mga returning viewers, thank you so much for the warm love and support you're giving me. So, let's see what do we have here for you, Scorpio. This is for my Scorpion people. Can you please show me what do we have here for Scorpio, please? Scorpio. Messages for Scorpio, please. Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. This is for Scorpio. Okay. So let's go ahead and check these messages here for you guys. Pero ilatag naman na natin sa ating table before we start reading. So we have here the Six of Swords, Double Energy, the Strength card, Tower, Nine of Coins, King of Cups, Six of Coins, Queen of Wands, and the Ten of Swords. So Scorpio, as what I'm seeing from here, guys, someone here is in pain. Medyo nasasaktan itong person na to ngayon with the King of Cups, Energy, Strength card, and the Double. It looks like this person here, pwedeng kayo ito, no, na posibleng kakasingle nyo lang because someone here is nakipaghiwalay or nakipag-break sa inyo. I do see that this person right here, no, kung sino man ito, whether this is you or the other person, someone here is sad because whatever this energy I'm picking up, this is the energy here of someone who wants to be in a relationship. But it looks like something here happened. Okay? At nag-cause ito ng separation, but there's a strong attachment. Someone here cannot accept the reality that he or she is now single and no longer in that relationship he or she is holding too tightly before. Okay? So, hindi niya matanggap rito na wala na sila or wala na kayo, yan, no? But if this is not the case here, someone here is sad because you do not accept his or her offer of love for you. So maybe you rejected someone, okay? And you do not know that in his or her feelings and emotions, this person here is so sad right now. Scorpio, trying to deal with his or her emotions and feelings, but however, this individual is nagkakaroon rito ng, um, nagkakaroon rito ng parang battle of emotions, no? Magulo ngayon yung isip niya, tapos sumasabay din yung damdamin niya lalo. So, ibig sabihin, this person here is really trying to overcome the pain, no? And he or she feels like, bakit hindi siya enough for you? So, this person here could be struggling with that right now, overthinking pagdating doon, at inisip niya rito, ano yung pwede niyang gawin para matanggap mo siya dito. So, someone here still wants you deep down within his or her heart. Yan. So, another message that I'm getting here for you, Scorpio, is that there's a strong force, no, na meron kayong gustong i-pursue sa inyong career or sa inyo ditong money and pentacles na we have here the Nine of Coins. So, your priority, Scorpio, in the upcoming weeks and upcoming months here for you guys is to grow your finances. Maybe iba sa inyo plantito at plantita or mahilig kayo sa mga flowers, no? Lalo na kung kayo yung nagtatanim or yung iba naman pwedeng nagkukulikta, ganyan, no? Or iba, gusto dito or pangarap magkaroon ng sariling garden, yan, no? So, I do see that this is you, yan. That might not be the clue for others, but, just take only what resonates. Nakita kasi natin sa minention natin. So, nakita ko dito mga babes, no, Scorpio, that this is you, your focus will be on your finances, creating changes on your finances with the butterflies that I'm seeing right now. And I do see that for a lot of you, nakita ko dito na parang kayo to na magiging ipa-prioritize ninyo rito yung pag-iipon pa more ng money, Scorpio, no? Or kayo ito na gusto ninyo na may pag-investan pa ng pera ninyo para lumago yan, no? Alam niyo, parang naghahanap kayo rito ng parang, kunwari, parang bangko. Habang nandun yung pera, parang nagkakaroon ng pag-grow, no? Yung financial ninyo. Yan. So, iba, posibleng business, posibleng bank nga for others, no? So, nakikita ko dito. Plus, nagiging motivated at mas nagiging dedicated ka pa, no? Pagdating sa iyong trabaho. Yan. So, iba siguro sa inyo, posibleng palagi mag-OT or madalas na mag-OT dito is Scorpio. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito may bisita kayo pero ikakagulat ninyo. Kung sino man 'tong bisita ninyo, posibleng galing siya rito na sa malayo, like probinsya or ibang bansa, no? Pagkadating niya rito, parang wala siyang pasabi, no? Yung tipong wala ka talagang niluto. Yung isang sandok na lang yung kanin sa kaldero, yung mga gano'n, no? Yung meron kang bisita pero hindi mo alam, mga gano'n. So, kasi naman ito, hindi ko nakikita rito na love love potential ito, no? Posibleng kamag-anak mo mula sa malayo, no? Sorpresa lang, no? Pa-visit lang, no? Or mga friends mo, no? Na posibleng nasa ibang lugar, ibang bansa, no? So, sorpresahin ka rito, no? Like, hindi ka handa pag dumating yan, no? Nakita kita dito na inaasikaso mo sila, tapos may paggulat, ay, hindi ako nakapagluto, teka, pa-deliver na lang tayo. May ganun, no? O kaya, ano nga ngayon ka talaga darating? Sarado yung bahay, nandito ako sa work. Yan, no? So, whatever the case may be, may ganung gulat factor coming from you is Scorpio. So, maliban dyan, nakikita ka rin dito mga babes, no, na meron kayo dito inspiration. I think a social media influencer could be you follow this person here sa YouTube account niya or could be any social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, yan, no? May mga ganyan-ganyan naman or TikTok, no? Parang meron ditong person na naging influential siya sa'yo, no? Parang nagkaroon ka ng inspiration simula nang napanood mo siya or nakita mo siya. So, nakita ko dito with the Ten of Swords energy, parang tulungan ka niya rito na i-uplift yung spirit mo at magpatuloy na mangarap. Excuse me, samid lang. So, yun nga mga babes, maaaring may nakaalala sa inyo, kaya ako nasamid. So, whatever the case may be, I do see that this is you. You could be in this type of energy that you admire someone, or pwede rin yung iba sa inyo may crush kayo sa kanya. Okay? Why not? This person looks very attractive. Okay? Queen of Wands is nilalabas ng energy niya is Scorpio. So, ibig sabihin kung sino yung nagugustuhan ninyo, posibleng may dating talaga siya. No? Maganda, gwapo, kapansin-pansin. Alam mo yung energy na when someone walks inside the room, maraming mapapalingon, maraming mapapatingin. Yung ganda niya is gandang lilingonin, yung kagwapuhan niya ay kagwapuhang lilingonin. So, ibig sabihin, posibleng siya ay artista or posibleng artistahin yung itsura niya, no? Born with the natural beauty, pinanganak po siyang ganyan. Yan. Ang taray, no? Pero maganda rin yung energy binubugay niya kasi ang ganda ng mukha niya. Kaya kung sino man tong pina-follow ninyo rito, hindi ko alam. Pero nakikita ko rito na tinutulungan kayo nitong person na to na parang pinapaganda niya yung mood ninyo, pinapasaya niya kayo. Maliban diyan, pinapa-inspired niya kayo, no? Mas pinalalakas ang loob ninyong humarap sa mga challenges sa life na may mga gano'n. Yan. So, okay lang yan, no? As long as may inspiration kayo dito, no? Pero alam mo, nakikita ko rito na iba sa inyo, hindi lang inspiration, parang nahuhulog na yung loob niyo sa kanya rito, no? Parang it's like marami siyang fans, 'no, at isa ka sa mga fans niya, 'no, pero kayo yung mga klase ng fans na gusto niyo siya ritong pakasalan. Parang fans turned into suitors or potential lovers yung nangyayari rito. Yan, 'no? Parang gusto niyo rito siya na parang ligawan or bigla niyo naging siyang ideal partner, mga gano'n, So, cute nun pero nakikita ko rito 'no, that you are really feeling blessed sa pagdating nitong tao na 'to sa buhay mo, 'no? Actually, pagdating niya yun parang nakita mo lang siya, napapanood mo gano'n 'no, pero hindi mo talaga siya as in nakaka-encounter in real life. Like hindi mo pa talaga siya nakakausap na hindi ko nakita pa yun dito. So, pero nakikita ko dito sa energy mo na posibleng gusto mo siyang makilala ng personal or in person. Yeah, I'm sorry 'no, na-topic ko yung mic ko 'no, if it hurts your ear, I do apologize, babes. So, going back, I do see another message right here for you, Scorpio, is that meron ditong parang difficult situation here na posibleng kaharapin ka, no? Pagdating sa emotions mo in the upcoming weeks right here, someone will show up as a devil energy. Whoever this person is, this is someone here na nakakapagpainit ng ulo mo. Doesn't have to be your ex lang, pero posibleng meron ditong energy na posibleng may mga addictions na naiinis ka sa kanya. Posibleng family member na mahilig magsugal, palainom, 'no, palaaway, 'no, mga ganyan, takaw, gulo, parang may gano'n, 'no. And for some reason, ikaw ito na medyo ide-deal mo siya rito, but you're definitely dealing here with a difficult person. So, kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to na posibleng sakit mo siya sa ulo or sakit rin siya sa ulo ng pamilya niyo at ng ibang tao. Kung pamilya niyo man ito or friend niyo 'to na parang kung friend niyo ito na siya yung alam niyo na sa barkada, siya yung parang kailangan ng ano talaga, eh, 'no, ng gabay, eh, 'no, parang gano'n yung nakikita ko rito. So, however, whoever this individual is, you will deal with this person here. This person will definitely get into your nerves, so I want you to stay still. And syempre 'no, help this person out kasi nakikita ko rito na you're close with this person here, so no matter what this person here is doing, hindi mo pa rin siya ditong pabayaan. You know, may nakikita ko ditong concern 'no, at yung iba posibleng love pa nga yun 'no. Pero don't get me wrong, I think that's a love as a family member, love as a friend 'no, ganyan. Or love as a pagmamalasakit talaga. 'Yan. So, nakita ko dito 'no, na maliban diyan sa mensahe na 'yan, meron ditong surprise. Yes, surprise pagdating sa inyong pinansiyal. Ang nakikita ko dito more likely about your financial is Scorpio 'no. So, nakita ko dito na yung financial mo dito will definitely take into a different height. Ibig sabihin may pag-ascend, may pag-angat rito sa iyong kaperahan at posibleng ito ay isang boom, biglaan na mangyari, like a surprise. You will get shocked from this. Yung iba doesn't have to be na biglang pumasok yung laman ng malaking kaban sa account mo. Pero dito nakikita ko na pataba ng pataba yung laman ng wallet or ng ATM mo 'no, because there is beautiful right here na news na paparating 'no, at ito na yung umpisa nun. Kunwari ganito, mapipili ka bilang isa sa kakatawan ng inyong company or representative, 'yan 'no. It's time for you to shine na, the spotlight is yours 'no. So maliban diyan na posibleng baka meron ditong opportunity para pakita mo na dito yung galing mo, umpisa na 'yan, 'di ba? Kasi pagka yan ay ginalingan mo pa na posibleng makuha mo yung posisyon at siyempre meron diyang kalakip na amount, salary, or income. So, nakikita ko dito that you will definitely benefit from that, no? Something great, no, ay mangyayari sa kaperahan mo, but you will need to make effort first. Kasi nakikita ko dito na walang libre, no? At kailangan ay paghirapan mo ito. But it's not time for you to get or steal that spotlight because I do see that this opportunity will be coming here ngayon, okay, or in the upcoming weeks right here for you guys, no? Tapos, nakikita ko na posibleng maulit pa itong pangyayari na 'to or may offer 'to ulit sa inyo medyo matagal pa talaga. So, grab this opportunity right here, no? 'Pag merong narinig na magandang opportunity sa trabaho, 'wag nang mahiya. Ilabas na yung confidence right here, i-boost na yung self-esteem, and then boom, eh, your finances will definitely tataba dito. So, yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for my Scorpion people out there. Please do check out other channel and don't forget to like, hit, subscribe, and hit that notification bell para updated din kayo every time na may uploaded video readings na here for you guys, no? And also for my collective na mga readings, okay? So, if you're interested, I also have here another channel. Please do check out, no? The link is down below sa description box. And if you wanna leave comments down below, I would appreciate that. No, nagbabasa din po ako mga babes ng mga comments. Yes, okay? So, thank you so much. Sarangaya Love and Light. Muli ako po si Yan. Sarangaya. Inyong